Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to remove the search box from File Explorer in Windows 10. So this is one of those, why would you ever want to do this type of videos, but I guess if you have a reason to do so, we're going to show you how to do it. So when I say search box, I mean this guy right here, so depending where you are, it'll change. So that way you're searching whatever folder you happen to be in, or you can search, this whole PC. Alright, so let's say you wanted it gone. So to do so, we're going to be using the free Windhawk app. So Windhawk is a free tool you could use to download and install what are known as mods to tweak the way that Windows works and also how it looks. Alright, so once you download it and open it, you'll have your home section here with any installed mods or featured mods. Then you have the Explore section where you could search for mods and then also view other mods and sort them by popular and newest and that type of thing. So what you want to do is search for a mod called Hide Search Bar. So we just type this in the search box here. Then once you found it, click on Details and Install. And then it'll be on your home page after this. So then all you have to do is enable it from here or go to Details, enable it from here. And you could also remove it from here. So once it's enabled, so now when we open File Explorer, you can see we don't have the search box here. And actually this PC is actually expanded to take up the rest of the space. So pretty simple to do. And then if you want it back, you just come back here and disable it, or you could actually remove it. And now we have our search box back. All right, and then as a side note, Windhawk needs to be running down here in the system tray in order for your mods to work. So if they ever stop working, just come here and see if it got shut down for some reason. And if that's the case, you could just open it again and it should open it down here in your system tray. And then it should also be set to start with Windows so you don't have to open it each time you restart your computer. All right, so once again, install Windhawk. Do a search for Hide Search Bar in the Explore section in the search box. Click on Details and Install. And then you could enable it from here or from here. And then just reopen File Explorer, and that's all there is to it. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.